hi guys, welcome back to my channel Navaz Info. So today we are going to see the complete review of MI Box 4K, and so let's see here the box content, like what are available in the box. So first we are having MI box, and then we are having MI remote and one HDMI cable and power charger. And see here we can see what are the apps that we can install, and a lot more apps. Not about these things, we can install so many apps. So here in the bottom we are having a pricing tag like 4999, but it is available at 3499 in Flipkart. So I will provide you the link in the description. If you want to buy, just go and buy through the link. And here in the back you can see that what are the contents which will be provided by the box. Like here it will provide you a clean Android TV experience, and as well as DTS 4.0 and HDR10 4K support, and Google Assistant, Chromecast built-in, and 64-bit quad-core processor. And here some labelings are there. So let's go to the content. We will see the what are the content. So first we will go to the HDMI cable. So this HDMI cable looks like the quality of the cable is pretty fine when we compare to other cheap that are available in market. So you can see here, you can see that the quality of the cable, and I will show you some more things that are provided on the cable. Here you can see that HDMI logo, and as well as here you can see some branding like high speed HDMI cable with Ethernet. So here you can see all those things on the cable. And coming to the next, we are having some power input charger. So this is so here you can see that the charger, MI logo, and the output of the charger. And coming to next, we are having remote, MI remote, and the back side it is having one CG label and MI branding logo and the bottom. And as well as we are having it is a battery, like we need to add the cells in the back side. So I will show you how, I will remove and show you how to add the cells. So commonly how we will add the cells. Here this is a small cells, here two cells will be inserted. And in the front, coming to the front, we are having the top, we are having power button from, as well as it is a Bluetooth enabled remote, so that we can assist like Google Assistants. We can use Google Assistants. So here Google Assistants button, and this is for navigation keys. These keys are like how we will have the MI remote. It is similar to that one only. And coming to the bottom, we are having the same logos that are available in the MI TV remote, and as well as some hotkeys like Netflix and Prime Videos and volume up and down button. So coming to the box, here we are having the MI box. So here you can see that MI logo on the top. And let's see what are available in the back side. So here we can see that on the back side we are having one power input, and one HDMI, and as well as one USB input, and another one is like for audio jack. So these are the four things that are available in the back. And in the bottom here you can see that MI logo and some labelings. So let's move on to connect to our TV, and let's see how it will looks like. So I have connected my MI box to my monitor. So here you can see that the Netflix, YouTube, and Google Play and Jio Cinemas. Here we can add some more contents like any other apps. So here this is a Bluetooth enabled, and you need not to worry about the connection, about the remote. And we can add some more apps from the Play Store that are available. Here I will show you some more apps. So here these are the some more apps we can add from the Play Store. And so now I will show you the settings in that is available in this. So here in the top you can see that the settings. So if we click on settings, that I have connected my device to my Wi-Fi, and as well as some account info to log in while you are logging with your Gmail. And so here what are the devices, like we can connect our devices like Bluetooth devices, like headphones, we can connect our headphones as well. And these are the normal settings that is available in our phone as well. So this is available in here. And I will show you here the storage that is available. So the storage is like about 5 total storage that is available is like 5.4 GB and 5.4 to 5.7. So I have installed some more apps here, so that's why it has been taking, like it is showing that 5.4 GB. So let's coming back to here, like we can coming back to the preference, like remote and accessories. We can add our Bluetooth keyboard, mouse, or as well as like we can connect our headphones. And we can do more, mean we can connect like more things. Like here you can see that I have previously connected my boat. We can also connect our Google Home Mini, like here we can, I am using this Google Home Mini as a primary speaker to as an output, so you can connect this as well. Here we will check the quality of the picture, like how much it will support. So it is supporting 4K, so you can play 4K videos. This is a sample video. The colors and picture quality is pretty fine. So if you would like to buy this box, I will provide you the link in the description. Please go through that. It is available at 3499 from Flipkart. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel.